guys, it's Naturally Daphne. Welcome to my channel. I just wanted to do a quick video on this Modelones Polygel kit that I love so much. So I ordered this off Amazon. It was about, I think either $44.69 or was it $46.99. It was one of those. I don't remember. My memory kind of sucks. But yeah, I'll just give you an idea how much is it. But it's really affordable. Yeah, it will save you a lot of money. I'm taking trips to the salons. Yeah, I just freaking love Polygel. Like, I just love it. It's so much fun to do, and it's great for beginners like me who's just starting as far as doing their nails. And along with the Polygel kit, I did buy my UV lamp. It's my Sun X9 Plus UV lamp. I love it so much. Like, this is a small lamp. Like, I don't think both hands can actually fit in here. I got pretty big hands, well, in my opinion. But it's a really good lamp. It's a 48 watt. It does really well. Dries my nails really fast within 1 minute, sometimes 30. And it also has the option of a low heat mode. You know, because sometimes with UV gel you'll have heat spikes and it will hurt really bad. So the low heat mode would be your best option, even though it's 99 seconds. But yeah, so here's how the kit looks like. It's a little bit junky, but you know, and don't mind the little green. That's isopropyl alcohol. I don't know what the hell I was doing my first time. It was just whatever. Anyway, so it comes with a 100/180 grit file. This is how my file looks now. It's pretty damaged and old, and I pretty much need a new one. But I got another one somewhere in this house. I just gotta find it. I don't remember where I put it. Then it comes with the plastic form, dual form system. It's organized and it comes with oh, I'm sorry, I almost had to burp. Excuse me. It comes with 10 different sizes. Mine is unorganized right now, disorganized, because whenever I'm doing my nails, it's just all over the place. But yeah, these are the colors. Let's see if you can see. I believe this is soft pink. That's light pink. This is pure white. Then we have light apricot, nude, which is the ones I have in my pretty little nails. And then we have the temperature change color gel. Then we have the top coat, base coat. This empty space here was a slip solution. I ran out of that. And this is the glitter and the brush and picker. So yes, this is the kit. I love this nude color. Like, you know how there's some polygels. Ooh, let's see. I don't know if you guys can see it. You know how there's some polygels that like claim they're nude, but they're like very transparent. This is not transparent. Like, as you can see, I got them in my nails. Like, it's so pretty, you guys. Like, I really love my nails. I mean, they're not all that, but for me, they're pretty okay. Like, I really love my nails. Compared to the other 3 times that I've done my nails, this is what I call perfect. For me. I don't know about you guys, but for me, it is perfect. But yeah, I love this Modelones Polygel kit, but my only issue is that the polygel is really sticky, and with isopropyl alcohol or the slip solution that comes with, it still didn't really help as far as smoothing out the polygel. But when I use my pure acetone, which I got from Amazon as well, it worked really well. And I understand sometimes, well, not sometimes, acetone will break down the acrylic and the gel and your nails, whatever, but it worked pretty well for me. I don't know, like, I had no issues with the acetone. Maybe because I use a little bit. I don't dab my entire brush in it, you know. I just put enough so I could work with the Polygel, and it worked really well for me. I don't know about anyone else, but I'm just saying for me. Not saying you should do it, but I'm just saying what works for me again. But yeah, other than that, I love this kit. I will be making another video on the Jerson Polygel kit. I will be ordering that tonight. And you know, well, Amazon, you get it popping. You get it within 1 day, two days free shipping. You know I'm on that. Period. I love shopping on Amazon. I love shopping on Amazon. Oh yeah, also too, I forgot to mention, you guys. When you're nail prepping, like, see, I have my little nail prep kit. It's so cute. Comes with a whole bunch of stuff. But yeah, when you're nail prepping, get yourself your little tools, your little nail prep tools, and also get you some primer that's non-acid. This is what I got. This is also from Amazon. This works really well. Like, I really love this. And as far as cuticle oil, I don't buy specifically cuticle oil that is supposed to be for the no, I don't got time for that. I bought this right out of Walmart. It works just as well. I love this. I love this oil like so much. It has almond, apricot. What else does it have? Vitamin E, avocado, sunflower, and wheat germ. I don't know if you guys can see it. Ooh. There you go. But yeah, it works really well. I don't got time to buy no cuticle oil. I just get my vitamin E, and you know, we good to go. It's oil, right? Okay. But anyway, thank you for watching. And that's all I want to say to you guys. I just want to make a quick video. I wanted to make this video when I first bought the Polygel kit, but you know, things in life happen. But yeah. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. Like I said, I will be making another video when I order my Jerson Polygel kit. I might order the Macart. I'm kind of torn right now, so I'm not sure which one I'll be ordering. Because there's so many Polygel kits that you know got good reviews, and it's like I'm so torn, you know. I bought the Modelones because I've seen long hair pretty nails use it, Evie, and you know that I just had to buy it because I love her. Oh, I love her videos. But yeah, so when I make my next video, I guess you'll see which kit I eventually ended up buying. But yeah, thank you for watching again, and thank you for the 63 subscribers that I already have. I love you and appreciate you, and I hope to grow my channel with you. Thank you so much. Alright guys, see you in my next video. Bye.